Imagine driving your heavy-duty truck or diesel car and suddenly the engine just cuts out completely, leaving you stranded on the side of the road with no power steering or brakes. This is the reality of code P228B, which stands for Fuel Pressure Regulator 2 Forced Engine Shutdown. This is a generic powertrain code, but it is almost exclusively seen in diesel vehicles from manufacturers like Ford, GMC, Chevrolet, and Volkswagen. Modern diesel engines operate under incredibly high fuel pressures to work efficiently. The system uses a fuel pressure regulator, often designated as number 2, to control exactly how much pressure is in the rail. The computer monitors this using a sensor and adjusts the voltage to a servo motor in the regulator to open or close a valve. If the computer detects that the fuel pressure has spiked to a dangerous level that the regulator cannot control, it triggers a forced engine shutdown to prevent catastrophic failure of the fuel system or the engine itself. The symptoms are dramatic. You will likely experience a no-start condition, or the engine might stall and refuse to restart. You may also see thick black smoke from the exhaust, rough idling, or severe misfires before it dies. Common causes include a dirty fuel filter, low engine oil levels, a faulty fuel pressure sensor giving bad data, or a defective fuel pressure regulator that is physically stuck. It could also be a short in the wiring harness. Diagnosing this requires extreme caution because high-pressure diesel fuel can penetrate skin. Start by checking your oil level and looking for technical service bulletins related to your specific truck, as this is often a known software issue. Visually inspect all wiring for chafing or burns. You will need a digital multimeter to check for voltage and ground at the regulator connector. If you have power but the pressure is still wild, the regulator or sensor is likely at fault. If you are not trained in high-pressure diesel systems, do not crack open fuel lines yourself. This is a severe code that requires a specialist, as improper handling can lead to injury or further damage to the expensive injection system.